Hey y'all, I'm Sydney from Shaw Floors, and sometimes after a long day of testing carpet, you just want to pour yourself a glass of wine. And sometimes it's a really big glass of wine, and things can get a little messy. But we're gonna see if this stains our Pet Perfect carpet. So first off, I'm just gonna blot the carpet, clean up my little mess as much as I can before putting the cleaner on. Y'all, I may have overdone it. I think it's gonna be okay. We might need a whole roll of paper towel. I blotted up the majority of my spill and it's already looking so much better. Now that I've blotted, I'm gonna spray cleaner on it and then I'm gonna scrub, but I'm gonna move my wine so I can save that for later. Okay, we're gonna spray all over the wine stain. We're gonna get it fully soaked. We sprayed, I let it sit, and now I'm gonna blot up the cleaner and get the rest of this stain out. I mean, that is cleaning. I have given this carpet a good scrub and there is no wine stain left. It still looks a little wet, but once it's dry, you're not gonna see anything that ever happened there. And it didn't even go through the back. You guys let me know in the comments what we should test our Pet Perfect flooring with next, and I'm gonna go enjoy my night.